Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am giving insights on 5 EMA candle, 5 EMA strategy that I used in intraday. So I will tell you about that. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel. That will be very helpful for me. And in my channel I generally give morning analysis, pre-market analysis, where global news and global sentiment I check, and I give updates on that, and along with that Nifty and Bank Nifty level at 8 a.m. and on weekends I give learning videos. So this is what my channel do. So let's move to the 5 EMA, how I took a trade. So this is today's 30th of November, and Nifty chart, and I'm opening it at 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see in a daytime you might have see I have given few calls at this particular level at 320 level. Then these many calls I have given, and those we saw appropriate downside after giving that particular call. So let's see how I mark those things. So to come to this trading view, okay, over here, to add that, just make sure you have open 5-minute chart. Okay, then go to the indicators, and here type EMA, moving average exponential. Okay, select this, it will show over here. Come to this setting, make length as 5. Okay, and yeah, style whatever you want you can keep. Yeah, little bit broader I will take. Okay. Okay, so this is the line that we are getting. Okay, now let's remove all the drawing. Now see how to take a trade on basis of this. Okay, so we come to here. So the idea here over here is, whenever we see any candle going away from this particular line, right, blue line we are seeing, then that will be our trigger point. Okay, we need to watch that particular candle carefully, and we have to mark the low and high for that particular candle. So I'm using horizontal. This was my low, and for high this was my high. Okay, as soon as we see next candle, okay, so this was my initial candle, right? Let me mark it with arrow. This was my trigger point, this candle, because it went away from this line. As soon as next candle breaks the low of the previous candle, then we have to initiate a trade on the downside, because what our analysis said, 5 EMA analysis says, candle always try to come close to the line. Okay, as soon as it goes away, it has to come down to its particular line. Okay, so the funda is, as soon as it breaks the low of the candle which we are observing, then take the put side, or you can short the call, and stop loss will be the high of the previous candle. Okay, that is how it works. So you can see over here in this clearly it has shown proper sell side to us. Okay, so this was the trade which I have given on many Telegram and WhatsApp channels. You might have observed that. On basis of this I have given that. So where we have seen the next one in today's, so we can see over here this candle is also try to went away from the line here. Okay, so what's the scenario? Let's mark the high and low. Okay, as soon as it breaks the low, take the put side. In this case, in such case, you can initiate a scalping strategy where you can book some points. So in this case, let's see, from 17,100 to 1750, so it came down 50 points. So this is 50 points opportunity. Similarly over here we can see this point is this candle is in air. We can mark this one. This is our main candle, and as soon as it breaks the low, we can take the put side. So we can mark the low of this cycle and this candle, we can take the put side. So this is how it works. So if we see a later half in the day as well, here also we can see the candle is in air. It gave us good downside. Okay, in this case the stop loss will be the high of this candle, this one, which was rightly touched by this candle, but then again it came down. But that is how it works, 5 EMA. Okay, so if in case let's say it hits the stop loss, then exit, no need to wait in that. So if you can see over here in this case, this candle was away from its line, but it went up, it did not broke the low of the candle. So the main point is, the candle which we are seeing in the away from the line, for that it need to take the trade, it need to break the low of the candle, then only we can initiate our trade. So that's the funda. So in previous day also we can see couple of such instances over here. This was away from the line, but it never touched the low, it did not break the low, so we did not initiate it over here. Okay, so that's how it is. So in this case, let's see, yeah, here you can see this candle again away from the line. Okay, it break the low, we made some point over here. In this case, scalping is useful, but if it, let's say, breaks the high or hits the stop loss, then we can exit. In this case, this was our stop loss. Okay, and this was the low which it broke. You can be in the trade unless and until it breaks the stop loss. So if you can see this from this level, it came to this level, almost 100 points now in this case also. So this is how it works. And I keep on one chart open at my end and observe the things, and as soon as it shows this pattern to me, I take a trade. So that's how it is. And sometimes we can get this kind of trade at the time. You can look at the global market and how other important stocks are behaving. Accordingly you can take a trade. So that's how it is about 5 EMA. Thanks for watching.